Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, I covered how to create objects inside of Excel Draw using the basic objects. So as you can see right up here, rectangles, circles, all that good stuff. Now I'm going to be covering how to create objects using our advanced object tools. That is loading a drawing, creating a drawing with the input window, or creating a drawing using the Smart Create objects. Now the first thing I'm going to be covering is loading an object in. In the previous video, we saved this drawing right here as a DXF, and I'm going to use this as an example to load into Excel Draw. So if I open this up, it's going to ask me for a source file. All I have to do is browse for it, and there we have where we saved our drawing at, drawing DXF test 2. I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and then I'm going to go down here to import. It's going to ask me what I would like to title the new sheet, and if you leave it as default, it's just going to go to the next sheet that you have available. So I'm going to click OK. And as you can see, sheet 4, it's going in, it is adding everything in, and there we have our drawing. So I'm going to pan this over here so we can see it better. But yes, we have inserted a drawing, or we loaded a drawing in, and we have also went ahead, created it. Excel Draw has went in for us and added the objects in, and now we can see that we have our objects back. Whenever you import a drawing using the load drawing, it will not save the layers that it is on, so it will automatically put into whatever your default layer is selected to. Okay, the next option that we have is the input window. And with the input window, if you open this up, it's going to be very similar to a normal CAD style drawing. And you would like to select whatever sheet that you want to work on. I'm going to create a new sheet, and it's asking me what the name is. I'm just going to call it test sheet. And then I'm going to hit continue. Now you can see we have a new window brought up here, and it's asking me for an input. So this is very similar to CAD style inputs. You have lines, rectangles, circles, arcs, everything in here that you would normally have, and I'm just going to use this as an example. I'm going to have a circle, so I'm just going to C, hit enter, and then it's asking me for the X value of the circle. 0, Y value is 0, Z value is going to be 0, and then the radius I'm going to put at 4. Hit enter, and as you can see, we now have a circle drawn right there. So this is an example of how you can use an input window to create your CAD style drawing. So it's very similar to what you would find in AutoCAD or any other input window based CAD application. So the last thing I want to look at is the Smart Create, which is this option right here. And what I have over here, I have copied from a previous page right over here on sheet 3. I've copied the data values over to this page. And on this page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything that I have available, that is the object name and all the values. And you want to make sure you have the object name selected. If you have the object's name selected with the values, just go up here to Smart Create, and whenever you click on that, it is going to loop through all of the items and create your objects for you automatically. And as you can see, we now have all of our items that we have selected up here created. I can rotate this around, and there we have them. In the next video, I'm going to be going over the Drawing Manager, the Generate Graph, and the 3D Graph Orientation, as well as how to rotate, pan, zoom, and manipulate this graph just by using your mouse. Thank you all very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down in the description if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all of Great Tech videos and releases. Thank you all very much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.